Okay, let's take a quick look at area now. So in the last video I showed you radius, diameter, circumference. In this case here, it's showing you that diameter is 24. Half it would be 12. Again, use the units, meters. And so circumference, we know that it's 3.14 diameters. So times 3.14 by 24. And I get 75.36. And again, make sure you put your units on there, meters. Now area, okay, let me just jump back. Sorry, circumference is all the way around. Okay, if I want to find the area, I want to find everything inside. Area is the space inside a shape. So I want to find out all of that. And what happens here is when we are doing area, what we're actually doing is we're basically trying to fill this squares, if you recall from before. So to find the area, we use the formula pi r squared. And we know that pi is 3.14. And this r squared, that's the radius squared. Whenever we square a number, if I have 4 squared, that's 4 times 4. If I have 8 squared, that's 8 times 8. If I have 12 squared, that's 12 times 12. So when you square in a number, you're taking that number and multiplying it by itself. So when we find the area, we're going to take 3.14 and we're going to times the radius, but we're going to do it twice. So in this case down here, I have the radius of 12. So what I'm going to do, there's not a lot of space down there, so I'm going to do it up here. 3.14, and I'm going to times it by that. I'm going to do it with 2 of them, okay, because it's pi r squared. So I go 3.14 times 12 times 12, and I get 452.16. And we're talking meters. Now don't forget this, it's not just meters one-dimensional, it's meters squared, because inside here we're filling it with a meter by meter squared. I'm trying to figure out how much that is. Okay. I'm just going to show you again how we can work backwards. Okay, this one's no problem. I'm going to look at this one here. How do we work backwards from 314? And they give you the circumference. Well, to go backwards, I have to divide by 3.14 because I know circumference is 3.14 diameters. So I take 314 divided by 3.14, it should be 100. And then half of that is 50. Oh, make sure I put my units on there. And now to find the area, I'm going to take 3.14 and I'm going to do 2 radiuses times 50 times 50. So 50 times 50 times 3.14 on a calculator, and you should get 7,850. And now these are meters. Again, now area, they have the square. Okay. So main point on this, radius, diameter, circumference, just have meters. When you get to area, it's meters squared. And the way you solve it is take pi, 3.14, and times it by 2 radiuses. Okay, that's it really. Hopefully that made sense for you guys.